Hi, Alex here, and today I'm in the Brothers Tech Center and I'm going to be showing you how to install our 73 to 87 LED cargo light conversion. Now, this project shouldn't take any longer than 5 to 10 minutes, along with using some basic hand tools. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first I'm going to start with either a Phillips screwdriver or a drill. In this case, I'm just going to use a drill to get going. I'm going to remove the two screws that hold in the cargo lens and set those aside for now. So now that the lens is removed, I'm going to take this gasket out, set that aside for later, and we're going to go ahead and remove the old light bulb. Perfect. So now that the light bulb's removed, now it's time to take the socket and remove it from the original bracket. I've found that it's a lot easier to start with a pair of needle nose and come in face first for them. Now this may take a minute or two, just depending on how long that's been sitting in there. So in that case, it came out fairly easy. So at this point, it's time to remove the bracket. So I'm going to go ahead and get a drill, and we're going to drill out this rivet right here. Okay. Now that the rivet has gone through, we've got our bracket removed. So now it's time to go ahead and install our LED light. One of the reasons why I'm doing this is not only is it going to last longer, but it's also brighter. And let's face it, who doesn't want a brighter light when you're searching through your cargo area? One of the other cool points to this is it uses less electricity and it's going to produce less heat, which is awesome when you consider what it did to the original lens using a standard bulb. As you can see, it actually melted the lens. So we're going to go ahead and make sure we replace this. Now before I plug this in, a quick tip for you. When we unbox this, the stud was actually going the opposite way, which holds the circuit board to the bracket. So we went ahead and unscrewed that, turned it around, which makes the stud and nut facing out towards the light, as you can see there. And it actually gives you way more clearance room when you're actually setting this into the housing. So let's get that plugged in. Okay. So now that it's plugged in, we're going to go ahead and push this socket over to the left-hand side as much as possible, setting the bracket right in, just like so. We're going to go ahead and get our gasket, set it here. Now this part can be a little bit hard because you're having to hold everything in at once. So take your time and know that it may take a few tries. So I've got the lens. I'm going to get that all aligned up there. I'm going to take my screws, guide those in. And again, this might take you a second just to get it all aligned. There we go. I'm going to get this other side. Using my drill again. And just like that, it's installed. Thank you for watching, and check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube.